So today I'm going to talk about how to use the pandas script function to obtain the trade month of the stock data so that you can retrieve the trade month open for further calculation. Usually the trade month starts on the last day of last calendar month. So for example, on Feb 28th, the trade month March has already begun. So let me start coding. First of all, I'm going to grab the Dow Jones data that I previously get from Yahoo Finance on web. I'm going to read the data from D drive, data folder, and then this is called dji.csv. It's just a folder that you create anywhere in your hard drive. It depends on where you store your file. So it may not be the D drive in your case. We need to import pandas as PD. Actually, I think we do need the datetime package. I'm going to store all the data in a table called df, data frame, and it's going to be read CSV from data, which is here, and the index column is date. So that's individual date. Let me just print the last 5 rows to see if I can read file. Let me just press F5 in, I have to save it. I'll just save it in my tray, doesn't matter. Just call it as 2019 March 14. Okay. Yep. We can read the Dow Jones data here. Okay, just comment that out. Now, the current month for each trade day so that we can compare the calendar month and the trade month in step 2. So let me just create a column called C month, which is the current month is equal to pd. Okay, let me just do df.index, and the column is the date column. So basically, every time when I type df.index, I refer to the date column, and I have to make sure that it is in datetime format. So that's why I wrap around the df.index column, the date column, with the pd. To datetime function. And I'm going to use the string time to turn it in the format that is wrapped around in a percentage y, which stands for year, and percentage small letter m, month. So it's going to be 2019-02, 2019-01, whatever. So let me just print out the last 5 rows to see if we can get it. Okay. So when I print it out, I will have the C month here, right? Oh, actually, okay, yeah, that's fine. If we shift 1 business day forward, on the last day of Feb, I will have March, right? To do that, I have to import pandas T-series offsets. I have to import the B day, which is the business day, from the pandas T-series offsets. Then I'm going to define a variable called next day, which is equal to, let me just copy that. I don't need, so this is the date column, right? I just add 1 more business day. Okay, bracket 1. And I'm going to create a column called T month, which is equal to the next day, and then I use the string time function to return the month. So now let me just print out the date range. The columns are wrapped around in a square bracket. So it's going to be the C. I'm going to wheel the C month and the T month, and also the open price, because in later stage I'm going to return the open price of each trade month. And the date range is, so I'm going to wrap around with the start day and the end day. Okay, so I just pick whatever range. So I'm going to pick 2019 Feb 25th to 2019 March 08. So let me just press F5 to run it. Oh, I got some error. Oh, the C month. You know what? I have a typo. MONTH. So this time it should work fine. Yeah. On the last day of Feb, my trade month column returns March, which is what I want. Then I can use the T month column as a grouping criterion to grab the open price. So I'm going to create a new column called TM Open, which stands for the opening price of each trade month. So for March, it's going to be starting from Feb 28th, 2019, this one. So it's going to be equal to DF, which is the whole table grouped by. The criterion is T month, because I'm going to group it here. So T month, and then I'm going to extract the column open. So this is open, and I'm going to get only the first bracket of open column. So for the trade month March, I'm going to grab 25984, which is the last day in Feb, but the first day of the trade month March. So let me just print out one more column, the TM open, and press F5 to run. So you can see the last day in Feb, which is also the first day of the trade month 2019 March. I'm going to grab the open, but you see a whole bunch of NAN, right? For March, I'm going to roll forward this figure downwards. What I'm going to do is I assign the TM open, so it's single equal sign. It's equal to TM open, team open, sorry. TM open dot fill NA, and the method is going to be FF fill, which is forward fill. Let me print that out. F5. Okay. On Feb 28th, so I have open price of 25984. It's going to be the open price of the trade month 2019 March. Even for the second trade day of the trade month March, it still uses the open price. Okay, so you see 25984 is staying there for March. So that's what we want. So hopefully it helps. Thank you. Bye bye.